What if I told you that relying on just one income source is one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make? The world is changing fast, and having multiple streams of income isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. If you want to build financial security, escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, or even achieve financial freedom, you need to start thinking beyond just stocks and real estate. In this video, we're going to break down some of the most powerful and unique income streams that can generate passive or semi-passive income for you in 2024. Some of these ideas might be new to you, but they have the potential to completely change your financial future. Stick with me till the end, because we're going to dive deep into strategies that work, how to get started, and what you need to do to build sustainable wealth. Let's get into it. Underscore 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 underscore. Chapter 1: Why multiple income streams are crucial. Before we jump into the actual income streams, let's talk about why this is so important. We've seen massive layoffs, economic uncertainty, and industries changing overnight. If you have only one source of income, like a job, you are putting yourself at risk. What happens if that one stream dries up? Having multiple income streams means financial stability, increased earning potential, and most importantly, peace of mind. Now, let's explore some powerful and unique income streams that go beyond traditional investing. Underscore 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 underscore. Chapter 2: Digital Products, Earn While You Sleep. One of the best ways to generate passive income is by creating and selling digital products. These are products you create once and sell over and over again with minimal effort. Some of the best digital product ideas include eBooks. If you have expertise in any topic, write a guide or book and sell it on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Online courses, teaching skills like graphic design, coding, marketing, or even playing an instrument can be a great income source through platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Printables and templates, things like budget planners, resume templates, or social media content calendars can be sold on Etsy or your own website. Stock photos and videos. If you're into photography or videography, you can sell stock images and footage on sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. These digital products work well because once you create them, they can be sold repeatedly without extra work, making them a powerful passive income source. Underscore 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 underscore. Chapter 3: Licensing and Royalties, Make Money from Your Ideas. Another powerful way to make money is through licensing and royalties. This means getting paid for your work, ideas, or intellectual property. Here are some ways to do it. Music royalties. If you create music, you can license it to companies, YouTubers, and filmmakers and earn money every time your song is used. Patents and inventions. If you have a unique product idea, you can patent it and license it to companies for a cut of the profits. Book royalties. Write a book and get paid every time someone buys it. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing makes it easier than ever. Photo licensing. Just like stock photography, licensing images for brands, advertisements, or websites can generate long-term revenue. These streams are great because they allow you to profit from your creativity and expertise. Underscore 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 underscore. Chapter 4, Affiliate Marketing, Get Paid to Recommend. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most scalable income streams available. Here's how it works. You promote products or services using a unique affiliate link. If someone buys using your link, you get a commission. No need to create your own products. Some of the best platforms to start with are Amazon Associates, earn commissions promoting Amazon products. ClickBank and CJ Affiliate, great for digital and physical products. Shopify and SaaS products, many companies offer affiliate programs for software and online tools. The key is to build an audience, whether through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and recommend products that provide real value. Underscore 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 underscore. Chapter 5, Print on Demand, Sell Products Without Inventory. Print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases without ever holding inventory. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble make this easy. You simply upload your designs, and when someone orders, the company prints and ships the product for you. If you have a good eye for design or niche ideas, this can be an amazing semi-passive income stream. Underscore 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 underscore. Chapter 6, Cash Flow Businesses, Building Sustainable Wealth. While passive income is great, having an actual business that generates consistent cash flow is even better. Some great ideas include subscription services, creating a membership site or subscription-based business like Patreon or a newsletter with paid subscribers. Freelancing and consulting, selling your skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or coaching programs. YouTube and podcasting, content creation is a long-term game, but once you build an audience, sponsorships and ad revenue can be huge income sources. Underscore 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 underscore. Chapter 7, Investing in Yourself. At the end of the day, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Learning high-income skills, improving your mindset, and networking with the right people will open up endless opportunities for income generation. If you want to take control of your financial future, don't rely on just one income stream. Start small, build multiple sources, and watch your wealth grow. Underscore 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 underscore. Outro. So, which income stream are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.